froggies.
Whoa! What is it, Gavin?
Got him? What is that? How's it go? Don't squeeze him.
What is it?
What is it?
What is it?
What's it called?
A frog?
You're gonna let him hop away?
Is it a frog?
He's having a heart attack.
Say softkrappo.
No!
Softkrappo.
Is that what softkrappo is?
Dogs, y'all get away. Go on.
Come here.
You gonna try to catch him?
He's hopping like the frog. He's gonna step on it.
Oh, you got it.
Good job. Poor froggy. Move, Jazz. Wait, he's going to the shade. Watch your head. Shadow, go.